With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question says that from a well shuffled deck of cards, two cards are drawn with replacement. That means if we are drawing one card, we have to put it back into the deck. If x represents number of times s coming, then the value of px is equals to 1 plus px is equals to 2 is. So now we know that there are 52 cards in a deck. Which one of them 4 are s's? That means probability for an S is 4 divided by 52 for 1S, and probability of not being an S card, which is 48 divided by 52. So that means we can calculate the value of Px is equals to 1 and Px is equals to 2, and we know that Px is equals to 1 means we are drawing two cards, which one of them should be an S. That means if we are drawing a card, let's say first card is the S card, so that means its probability is 4 divided by 52. Now the second card should not be S, that means its probability is 48 divided by 52. Okay, now can happen that first card is not an S card, which is 48 divided by 52, and the second card will be an S card, which is 4 divided by 52. So that means this will be 24 by 169. The probability of x is equals to 1 is 24 by 169. Now let's calculate for x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 means we are drawing one card which is S, and second card should also be an S. That means first card we are drawing, so it is an S. So probability for an S card is 4 divided by 52, and second card should also be an S. That means 4 divided by 52. So this is equals to 1 by 169. Now we have to find the probability of P x is equals to 1 plus p x is equals to 2. That means 24 by 169 plus 1 divided by 169, which is equals to 25 by 169. So this is the answer. So now let's check the options. So as we can see, option A is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.